Hello everyone, hope you are well. Here I am Atikur Rahman. My ID is 22100227. Mm, Today I will briefly present my data mining assignment. Cover 5 parts. The part are decision tree and entropy, tree splitting and tree burning, ensemble method, cluster analysis and k-means, density based clustering. First we talk about decision tree. A decision tree is a supervised learning algorithm used to classification and regression. It work like a flowchart. Node represent feature test, branch show outcome, leaf node give final decision. Decision tree are popular because they are easy to understand, handle both numeric and categorical data, and capture non-linear pattern. Next, we talk entropy. Entropy means impurity of or uncertainty in a data set. In a pure data, entropy is zero. Mixed data, entropy is high. In our example, with 9 yes and 5 no, the entropy is about 0.94, which means the data set is not pure and needs further splitting. Next, we talk our second part, tree splitting and panning. Tree splitting. Tree splitting divides data to make group more homogeneous. Common criteria, information gain. Second is Gini index. Panning. Panning reduce tree complexity to avoid overfitting. The types of panning, two types. One is pre-panning, second is post-panning. Pre-panning stop early, post-panning remove unnecessary uh, branches. Panning improve accuracy to unsent data. Second, we talk our third part, um, ensemble method. Ensemble method combine multiple models to improve performance. Main types: bagging, boosting, staking. Bagging, train model on random sample. Example, random forest. Boosting, model learned from previous error. Example include ADA boost and XGBoost. Staking, use a meta model to combine prediction. Ensemble method help reduce bias and variance. Next we talk cluster analysis and k-means. Cluster analysis is an unsupervised learning technique used to group similar data without labels. K-means k-means is used for categorical data. Use mode in set of men. Measure similarity using Hamming distance. It is useful in customer segmentation and survey data analysis. Next, we talk density based clustering. DB scan is an density based clustering algorithm. Key parameters: epsilon and mean points. Epsilon used for neighborhood radius, mean points, minimum points for a cluster. Type of point: core point, border point, noise point. DB scan can find cluster of any scope and handle noise well. To conclude, This we have discussed decision tree is a simple and interpretable uh, ensemble model, improve prediction accuracy, clustering technique help analyze and label data. Thank you for your attention. I am happy to answer question.